You may have never thought about putting carpet in your garage, but it really makes a lot of sense. You think about it, if you have any type of dirt on your shoes and you walk straight into the house, you're tracking a lot of dirt inside the house. Now the carpet that we're installing is a very thin type carpet, and it's an indoor-outdoor carpet, so if it gets a little wet from time to time, it won't be a problem at all. It's very inexpensive, so it does make a lot of sense to try to take care of reducing the amount of dirt that you track into the house. Now, we're not going to install the carpet everywhere in the garage, but one 6-foot stretch here, and then 2 3-foot stretches on each side of the garage should be everywhere that foot traffic should take place. And we're going to keep it in place using a double-sided carpet tape. We'll use it sparingly along the edges to keep the carpet from kicking up and causing a trip hazard. And then, if the owners ever wanted to change it out in a few years, it'll be very easy to remove it and put another section of carpet down. Now, our first step in getting the tape to stick is to make sure this floor is nice and clean. We thoroughly sweep the garage before rolling out a section of carpet across the back wall. It's marked and cut square on one end, then cut to fit on the other end. The side walls are measured and 3-foot sections are cut from them before we begin applying the carpet tape under seams and heavy traffic areas. There we go. With our carpet in, we can start moving a few of our items back in, and the carpet really does make the whole garage look a lot better.